In a stunning announcement, Adobe has introduced its latest innovation, Gingerbread AI, promising to revolutionize the entire technology landscape. With 5 remarkable features, this breakthrough technology is set to leave tech enthusiasts and professionals alike in awe. Unparalleled natural language. Understanding. Gingerbread AI boasts an extraordinary level of natural language understanding. It can comprehend and respond to human language with remarkable accuracy, making it a game-changer for chatbots, customer service, and content creation. Advanced visual recognition. One of Gingerbread AI's standout features is its advanced visual recognition capabilities. It can analyze and interpret images and videos with human-like precision, opening doors for applications in fields like healthcare, security, and media. Seamless integration with Adobe Suite. Gingerbread AI seamlessly integrates with Adobe's existing suite of creative and productivity tools. This means that graphic designers, video editors, and marketers can harness the power of AI to enhance their work, automate repetitive tasks, and unlock new creative possibilities. Enhanced personalization and customer engagement. With Gingerbread AI, businesses can take their customer engagement to the next level. By analyzing user data and behavior, it can offer personalized recommendations and content, improving user satisfaction and retention rates. Robust data security and privacy. Adobe understands the importance of data security and privacy. Gingerbread AI is equipped with robust security measures to protect sensitive information, ensuring that businesses and individuals can leverage its capabilities with peace of mind. Adobe's Gingerbread AI is undoubtedly a groundbreaking development that promises to reshape how we interact with technology and data. Its potential applications are vast, and it's poised to set new industry standards for artificial intelligence. Keep an eye on this innovative solution, as it's bound to make waves in the tech world. Certainly, let's delve deeper into Adobe's Gingerbread AI and explore its potential impact on various industries. Efficient content generation. Gingerbread AI excels in content generation, making it a boon for marketers, writers, and content creators. It can generate high-quality articles, product descriptions, and marketing materials in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This not only increases productivity, but also reduces costs for businesses. Enhanced healthcare diagnostics. The advanced visual recognition capabilities of Gingerbread AI extend to medical imaging. It can assist healthcare professionals in diagnosing diseases and conditions by analyzing X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with exceptional accuracy. This has the potential to improve patient outcomes and reduce diagnostic errors. Innovative educational tools. The educational sector stands to benefit greatly from Gingerbread AI. It can create personalized learning experiences for students, adapting content and assessments to individual needs and learning styles. This fosters more effective learning and can help bridge educational gaps. Elevated e-commerce experiences. Gingerbread AI's visual recognition can transform the e-commerce landscape. It can enable augmented reality, AR, shopping experiences, allowing customers to visualize products in their own spaces before making a purchase. This enhances user engagement and boosts conversion rates. Environmental conservation. Gingerbread AI can also play a role in environmental conservation. Its image analysis capabilities can be used to monitor and protect wildlife, track deforestation, and assess the impact of climate change. This technology can provide valuable data for environmental scientists and activists. In conclusion, Adobe's Gingerbread AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a catalyst for innovation across a multitude of industries. Its ability to understand language, recognize images, and integrate seamlessly with Adobe's suite of tools makes it a versatile and powerful tool for businesses, professionals, and researchers. As this AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting applications and possibilities to emerge, shaping the future of technology and how we interact with it.